White thing do?
The water.
It's where your water shoots up into and fills in through there.
Yeah.
And then through the side.
Well, they'll come first here.
So this is going to up.
This one goes this and turn right.
Yep. Just twist.
Is it like this? It has the two. That hole right there.
That's all these are right here to absorb some of the vibration. But yeah, there's something holding us on the inside still.
Yeah, but you can absolutely do the wash pump on this without taking that entire assembly off.
So it's only got one hole right there, and then the rest of them from over there.
How many things go back in there?
Is this panel?